Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's time, y'all. Maybe if I move it over here more. Like that, away from the light glare. More right here. I hate this light. This light is kind of bright. So what's up, y'all? You already know what it is. We about to get in the eye. So let's go. It's kind of bright though. But oh well. Can't be picky. Just deal with it. Y'all ready? Boom. Right now, we gonna fly the blue one. And then after we fly the blue one, we gonna fly the red one. So, let's get in the air. Let's go. Okay. Power on. Power on. Okay. We're gonna do a hand takeoff too. You ready? Hand takeoff. I'm gonna do a countdown for y'all. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. What's up? In the eye? In the eye. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. If you don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. In the Air. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. In the Air. Yeah. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. In the Air. How y'all doing today? Man, my gyro acting real silly. My gyro acting silly right now. Let me introduce myself. I'm Mr. In the Air. How y'all doing? Today hump day. Hump day. In the hump day. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. In the The gyro be acting up. It's not acting up. It just starts to turn. He turn when he ain't got no business turning. He should only turn when I tell him to turn while we in the air. You know? If you get the gyro just right, he'll chill. He'll chill in the air and won't even go nowhere. But you gotta have the gyro just right. And he'll hover. He'll do like this, watch. He'll do like this for a long time. In the air, for a long time like that. But see, he not right. See how he acting up a little bit? He not right. He not right. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. In the Hello. Hello. Is it you that I'm thinking of? And I'm in the air today. Play with it. Let's play with it. Let's play with it. spinning. We spinning. Dip out with it. Hello. We are in the air at the moment. Hello. Ooh, we are in the air. Ooh, 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 in the air. Ooh, in the air. Bam. What's up, yo? How is life treating you? I hope it's treating you well. Yeah, I hope it's doing you guys well. Because right now, just watch in the air. And life will be good. What's up? How you doing? Like I said, if you don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. In the Air. Yeah, that's my name. Mr. In the Air. Oh no. My mama always place it on top of your head. Like this. Didn't work. I jumped in too fast. I should have strategically did it. But I just said like this. Mayday. We had a mayday. Let's get back in the air. Regardless. You know, that is a good idea. Nah. I won't do that no more. I'm not gonna do that no more. That hurt too. Yeah, I ain't gonna do that no more. I'm gonna stop that one. Okay, let's stop that. Let's just do regular. That didn't work. But I really, now I wanna handle, that sounds like a real good challenge. And now I wanna do the challenge. I'm sick too with the sticks. So I should be able to do it since you told me that, and now you're making me want to do it. I got scared. I got scared. Let me try it again. That is a good challenge right there, bro. I'm gonna try that. Let me see if I can do it. Whoa! That was sick! Almost. Let's see if I can do it again. Oh, the air's so cold into my ears. Hold on. I'm gonna try this. I know I can put it on my head. You scared me. Oh, come on, bro. You running out of batteries when we had a challenge to do. Mayday. All right, hold on now. I am intrigued to try to complete this challenge. Hold on, we got one more. We're gonna do this one right now. This one ran out of energy. Let's do this one. This one got energy. Okay. Man, you make me want to do that challenge. For real. I got to do the challenge now. I got to do the challenge. Let's see if I got this. What's up? All right, let's do a hand takeoff. I'm gonna try to do the hat challenge. It's hard. You know what? First, before we even talk about doing it, let's test the game. Ooh. So if I can land it perfect like that. Oh shit. I gotta keep my head straight though. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let me see. No, that'll chop me up. Probably go like that. No, so that won't work that way. So what we'll do is, yeah, I gotta land it straight like that if I wanna get real with it. Maybe we'll take off like this. Let's take off let's take off like this and see if we can land it like that. Okay. Let's see. So we'll put it right here like that. Just like that. Okay. All right. This is a new one. We are all learning together. So let's go. Okay. I'm gonna go like this. So I'm kind of nervous. Oh! Oh! Wait, bro. I didn't even pull the trigger. I didn't even pull the trigger. And he already jumped the gun. Okay. Let's try this again. Y'all ready? We got this. We are the truth. We are Himothy. I got scared in the bug. I got scared. That thing said, what? I don't even know where you went. Oh, this is a difficult challenge, even to take off on the top of the hat. This is a serious challenge. Maybe if we go sideways. I got scared. I did. I got scared. I ain't gonna lie, I got straight scared. I'm not gonna get scared no more. I gotta be tough. I gotta be tough. Come on, man. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. Let's go. Oh, I did it. I did it, y'all. Hey, I let it take off my dome. Okay. Now we gotta land it on the dome. That's gonna be super hard. I know it is. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Oh, y'all hear that pumped me up when I was saying that too. Have courage. Have heart. You have a blessed day too. Have courage. Have heart. I was trying to land it. I ain't gonna lie, I tried. Cause I got courage, have heart, have courage, have heart. We'll have courage, have heart. All right, let's try it again. Have courage, have heart, have courage, have heart. Where you at? Oh man. I couldn't find him. I was trying to let him land, but he kept on wobbling. He got on wobbly. Just land, bro. I want to try. This is new. I ain't never tried this. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. Get over there. Get up under my dome. Get up under my dome, bro. You know this is the landing zone. Have courage. Have heart. Oh man, y'all. Whew, this is wrist off. For real. Okay. So I'm trying to land it on the top. I took off from like that. We could do that. We good. Off the dome. See? We good off the dome. It's just landing it on the dome is the problem. Yeah, landing it on the dome. I need some practice. That's what that's coming down to, because that's a serious challenge, and I need to get it. I need to master that challenge. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. In the earth. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. What? Courage. Have heart. In the air. In the air. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that no more, y'all. I'm not ready. But right here, I feel like I'm ready. Look how I'm up close with y'all. I think I'm gonna try one more try. Let's try one more. Let's try one more. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. Have courage. Have heart. Damn. Have courage. Have heart. It's hard. I'm trying to land it on my dome. I could take it off. I let it take off, but landing it, supreme difficulty level. Supreme. Have courage. Have heart. Man, I'm trying. Yo, I'm trying. Bro, come back over here, bro. Bro. Yeah, I need to practice, y'all. I'm not Timothy on this level of landing it on my dome. I'm not the one yet, but I will be the one. I will. I'm gonna get this. Have courage. Have heart. That's the key. Courage and heart. Have courage. It keeps going forward. Okay, don't get scared. I'm getting braver than brave. In the air. In the air. I'm in the air with some courage and some heart. I have courage and heart today. Ooh, that was a chopper. That really literally chopped me. Chop Suey was his name. That's his name. I'm doing it though, I'm almost getting it. Have courage, have heart, have courage, have heart. That's the key. Okay, let's see if we got it, baby. Come on, land on my dome. Almost, y'all see me? I'm in control of the landing mechanism. That's the problem. I want him just to drop on me in the end. I gotta drop him on my dome. That's what I'm gonna have to do. and I shall succeed. Hopefully, in the air. Hopefully. Woo! Oh, it's some limbo type stuff, y'all. Limbo air. Oh man, this is rough. We trying to get it. Have heart, have courage, have heart. I don't got it right now, y'all. I can't get it. I'm trying. It's hard. Let me try one more. It's the blaze is just going. Oh, it is. The blaze don't stop. And I gotta stop them. I get kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie. I be getting scared. Get away. Whew. He tired. He tired. Dude, you tired? Yeah. Oh, I done got dusty on my lip. Man. I done got dirty and stuff. Ooh. Alright. So, I couldn't complete the challenge. He ran out of energy. I was able to let him take off like this successfully. Woo, blast off and go in the air. That was a successful challenge, complete. But the icing on the cake, we say the holy grail is land when it's going woo, woo, and then making it go woo right back. Yeah. Then you can call yourself Timothy if you could do it. Right now, I do not hold the title of Timothy right now because I'm in the middle of a challenge training. So this is taking off is easy. Landing it is the difficulty task. Yeah. And I shall succeed with more practice. Yeah. What up? Y'all know me, Mr. In the Air. If you don't know my name is Mr. In the Air. That's what I go by now. That's my new government name. Changed my birth certificate to Mr. In the Air. They say, what's your name? My first name is Mr. Last name is In the Air. Are you sure? Yeah, it's on my license. That's what I should change my name to Mr. In the Air. Post videos. That's what I do. Fico. That's my thing. Post videos. Go live. Mr. In the Air. Check out my YouTube. I'm a TikToker, YouTuber. Facebook had freaking some issues yesterday, y'all. My Facebook account seemed like it was hacked. And I said, Facebook account hacked? Oh well, guess I ain't gonna be a Facebook person no more. But it wasn't just me. I guess like half of the world's Facebook was towed up. So yeah, that was tripped out yesterday. Man, Tyler the Creator. Yeah, so other than that, I'm like, shoot. I was about to say, oh well, I don't care about Facebook. Because I really don't. I'm more of a YouTuber and TikToker. But I'm monetized on everything. Cha-ching. Yeah, so other than that, you already know about to eat a little oatmeal. Some little oatmeal right now. Get a little oatmeal in my belly. And then some little coffee. And then we gonna hit round 2. Let me energize. Yeah, let me energize. I gotta go, y'all.